Today we're going to be making a bouquet of marigold flowers, and we are going to create those using line. So you can have wavy line, you can have straight lines, you can have loop-de-loop lines, you can have zigzag lines, you could have scalloped lines, you could have very wiggly lines, and so on. So any line works for this project. The first thing you want to do is just make 3 dots on your paper and just space them out. You're going to be using this oil pastel, it's gold, and around these dots you're going to make your line pattern. So I'm going to do something different as I go around each one. And then I could do a combination of different lines. So this next one, maybe I want to do zigzag first, then wavy, then just a smooth line. And if they bump into each other, that's fine. My last one, I could do, maybe I'll start off with the loop-de-loop. Then the scallop, which is like a bunch of M's, and then a fun wavy line. So they each have a little bit of a different character, a different style, but all I did again was take a different line pattern and starting inside and then gradually making it bigger as I use a different line pattern. After this, you want to color in your flowers. Today we're going to be using warm colors. These are cool colors, which are like snow and grass and water, and then warm colors are kind of like the sun. So for that, you'll use your paint tray, and you can wet the different temper cakes. And first I just kind of wet them a little bit, and then I can start painting these in. So I might start with yellow. It's always a good idea to start with yellow because your water's cleanest. And if I do red and then dip red into my water, some of that red's gonna get on my yellow. So sometimes I just start with my yellow, and we're gonna paint all these in. Each layer can have a different color. You don't want them to be one color, you want to use multiple colors. If your paint isn't spreading, add a little more water so it's more fluid, and it will easily cover all of your flower. And so voila. Now I need another color because I have another space. Go through this orange. And again, each different part of the flower gets a different color. So after you cut each of your flowers out, the next thing you're going to want to do is glue these down on your paper. You can play around with how you're going to arrange them, which ones you want in the front, which ones you want in the back, but they can fall off the page a little bit, that's fine. But you want to glue each one and then press it down so it stays. And again, each one, you can use a glue stick, whatever you have at home, and glue these down. The next thing, after these all get glued down, and again, remember, press and hold them so they stay down, is you can take these leaves and just go ahead and glue those down however you wish. Maybe 3 here, 2 here, and there's your nice little bouquet. Great for March to brighten everything up.